No rotisserie, no problem. Parchment paper fixes that. So today we're switching things up. No skillet. This simple method turns ordinary ground beef into juicy doner-style layers with crispy edges, all in one sheet pan in just 30 minutes, no sweat. Stay with me for the easy technique and the perfect results. Start with a pound of ground beef, add the seasonings, find a grated onion, but squeeze out the extra liquid first, along with Greek yogurt, minced garlic, lemon juice. The yogurt adds tenderness. Then mix until the meat becomes slightly sticky and cohesive. That tacky texture helps create thin donut style layers instead of loose hamburger crumbles. And then divide the mixture to four separate portions. Roll each portion of meat between two sheets of parchment into a thin, even layer about eighth of an inch thick. Leave 1 to 2 inches of parchment exposed at one end and then remove the top sheet. Starting from that end, roll the parchment and meat forward together. Keep rolling the same continuous sheet. Don't cut or stack the meat. Then repeat the same process with the remaining portions. Place the packets seam side down, add tomatoes and red onions, drizzle them lightly with olive oil, and place the tray in the oven. While the meat cooks, let's whip up the sauce. You'll find all the ingredients and measurements of everything in the description below. Now for the best part, carefully unfold the parchment paper and let all those flavorful juices run onto the pan. Remove the parchment, tear the meat into irregular strips, coat them in juices, and broil for 2 to 3 minutes. For extra crispiness and deeper browning, place the tray under the broiler for 1 to 2 minutes and rotate the tray as needed for even browning, and watch it closely so it doesn't burn. So if this parchment paper trick surprised you, wait until you see what I'm making with the same seasoning and flavors next week. Subscribe so you don't miss it and check out my other videos on your screen. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Take care.